Hyundai Sonata here, and as you can see, all the brake lights are on. The top one right there is on, this one is on, and this one is on. All right, and there's nobody in the car, guys. There's nobody in the car. All right, there's nobody, so the brake lights just stay on by itself. All right, if you have any car, guys, it doesn't have to be this Hyundai. It could be a Honda, Toyota, Lexus. And if your brakes are on like this, the lights are on for the brakes just like that. All right, I'm gonna show you the problem with this car. Right, I already fixed it, but then I thought, you know what, why not go back and make a video of it? That way everybody can know what the problem here is. For this car, this is a Hyundai Sonata. I believe this is 2010 or so. Let me find out. This is yeah, 2011, and I believe this is a common problem for this car, but a lot of cars have similar issue. So let's go inside the car. I'll show you exactly what you have to do. And if you leave it like this overnight, your battery is gonna die. All right, next morning your car is not gonna start. So that's the problem you're gonna have. Just wanted to show what that indicator is. I don't have the headlights on. And let's go inside the car, guys. Remember, like I said, I did fix the problem. I did find the problem. So first of all, put this seat back so you can have a lot of space over here. Right over here, there was a small little piece sitting over here, and that gave me a clue. All right, I'm gonna show you what that piece is. So right down here on the brake pedal, all right, that up there, right there, right here is the brake switch. All right, and as you can see, I have a lot of silicone right there. All right, so that little rubber piece right there fell off. All right, let me get the light closer so you can see better. That little, see that little plastic piece, it pushes that white button back. Right above it is the brake switch, and all that plastic, that little plastic piece right there fell on the ground. All right, and it wasn't pushing the switch back. So all it needs to do is when you release the brake just like that, it pushes the, it disengages the switch. All right, a lot of times the switch will go bad or the switch will come out and your brake lights will stay on. So if you have that issue, guys, just take a look at this. All right, so I'll put a little bit of silicone on that little guy, and I'll put that little guy right back. I'm trying to buy another piece because it's just a little grommet that goes into this little hole there. It sticks right in, and it's supposed to stay right there, and that what pushes the brakes back. All right, the brake switch back. So that was the problem with that car, guys. This car, guys, if you have a car, could be Infiniti or Lexus, Toyota, anything. All right, same procedure, guys. Either the switch came off, or the little grommet came off, or the switch went bad. All right, so there shouldn't be anything else. If that doesn't resolve the issue, then you need to look further. Relays, if it has a relay, all right, sometimes the relay will stay engaged, and that will cause that. All right, guys, anyways, thank you. Subscribe, bye bye. And now, as you can see, the lights are off. All right, so there you go. All right, a quick fix, guys. I am gonna put a lot of tape around the other guy to hold it in there till I get the new piece, so this customer doesn't have a dead battery, because I am gonna release the car till I get that piece. I know they might sell me a pedal. I don't know what's gonna happen there, but let's see, guys. But if you can work a magic like that for temporary fix, good. All right, so thank you. Subscribe, bye bye. And if you guys need help with anything, let me know, guys. And check out my other channel. It's called RCUSA 201. I have a link inside my front page. You'll see on the top right hand corner, and it will say Monster Truck, channel to my Monster Truck. And I'm gonna have a great videos, guys. Gonna be entertaining. We're gonna have a lot of challenges up there, and you will love it. Race with drones, drag races with the RC trucks, battles with RC truck, and battles with drones. All right, guys, so anyways, guys, bye bye, and please ask me for help with anything. All right, if you have check engine code, send me a message.